How to set up a LinkedIn profile for online money-making success. Today, we're diving into LinkedIn, a goldmine for making money online. Whether you're freelancing or building your empire, LinkedIn is where you need to be. With over 1 billion members in more than 200 countries and territories worldwide, LinkedIn is the largest professional network. It's the quality of connections and opportunities that make it invaluable for finding clients and networking with industry leaders. What do you need to focus on? Step 1. Fill out your basic information with a professional headline that reflects your business or services. Step 2. Use a professional photo and a background that showcases your brand. Step 3. Create your summary. This is your pitch. Be clear about who you are, what you do, and how you can add value. Step 4. Highlight any relevant skills or projects. Step 5. Add relevant skills and seek endorsements to boost your credibility. Step 6. Focus on quality connections relevant to your niche. Create scripts that resonate. Don't sell straight away. Build a relationship. Step 7. Share valuable content. Engage with your network and join relevant groups. The more you engage, the more you'll get out of it. And that's it. Engage, connect, and watch as opportunities start rolling in. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Until next time, keep networking and keep growing.